Hi guys, long time no see. I hope everything's fine for you. So I wanted to shoot this video because it's already December and I have a couple of things, even more, to share with you. I'm sure you heard about HDMX. It's not a framework, but it's something that allows you to easily interact with the backend in an Ajaxy way, meaning that I don't know if you've already been programming, when was it, 15 years ago, when we had jQuery, for example. This one is just as developer friendly and it's really great. I've used this one, so if you have a backend and you want to interact with it easily, and even more than that, you should definitely have a try at HDMX. If you want me to shoot a video devoted to HDMX, just leave a comment. I'm sure you heard about Nextjs and all these React server component things. It's really interesting. I've played with it, I've studied it when it was still on V13. I'm sure there will be more and more jobs where Nextjs will be required on top of React. So if you have time to study Nextjs, it may be a good idea. But I have to tell you something that I prefer Astro. Astro is really great because it's easier to use than Nextjs, and now it's extremely easy to mix dynamic parts with static parts on your website. You can have SSG, static site generation, you can have SSR, server-side rendering, and you can have, you see this concept of islands, so meaning that you have a full page. You can have static pages mixed with just a component. For example, let's say you want to have just an image viewer and all the rest is static, so why would you send tons of JavaScript? So it's really an excellent framework. So if you're also interested in Astro, just leave a comment. Also, during this last month, I've spent at least 3 weeks on a great course on frontend masters, which happens to be free. So if you go to https://frontendmasters courses, you will see that where is it? I need to find algorithms. I'll go. Yeah, there it is. There is this great course by the Prime agent. This guy is really awesome and he's a great teacher. Okay, the title is maybe a little too optimistic because this is not the last algorithms course you'll need, but this is a great course, definitely. So this is marketing, so you need to have a catchy title. This course definitely is. So why did I spend 3 weeks on this one? Because it's not the kind of course that you can watch in 1 or 2 sessions. It's difficult. It's not like just learning something like React or HDMX. It really requires to be focused and to practice, but it's something that is very valuable because it won't change. You see, there is this JavaScript fatigue that many people mentioned a couple of years ago, because you see, you learn a JavaScript framework and then there is another one. So you end up learning 3 JavaScript frameworks and then you need to learn 2 or 3 more. But with algorithms and data structures, you will learn stuff that was used 20, 30 years ago and that will still be used in 10 or 20 or 30 years. So this is the exact opposite of what you do when you learn a JavaScript framework. You learn something that maybe will be useful for a couple of years, maybe more, maybe 3, 4, 5 years. But this algorithm course is really great. And what I really enjoyed is that this guy, the Prime agent, he used to work at Netflix. Before being recruited at Netflix, he had to go for a lot of interviews, so he knows what kind of questions you are asked during a job interview. So he shares his experience with you in this course. And also he's mixing different type of algorithms, which makes it really, really valuable. So if you have time, as I said, if you can devote something like maybe 45 minutes a day during, as I did, 3 weeks, it's extremely valuable. It's a small YouTube channel, so I remember every one of you who used to post comments, so don't hesitate to keep me posted. Did you find a job? Did you switch jobs? So like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.